Affiliate marketing may not be the first thing you will do starting to master sales for a new e-commerce business. It may not be the one that will work for you if you are willing to get the results right now with minimum efforts. But it may become one of the top traffic acquisition sources if you invest time in creating a high-efficient affiliate program. The first thing that comes to your mind when defining e-commerce is selling goods online. But selling means much more than making sales and doing marketing for your store. In reality, e-commerce is about finding the right manufacturer or setting up production on your own, shipping all goods on time and to the right people, taking care of payments and taxes, warehousing and storing, customer service. Not much time left to actually do marketing and sales. Affiliate marketers selling your product may become one more sales channel that does not require much time and taking too many risks. When having set up affiliate system, your main purpose is getting more traffic, preferably your target audience. Working with affiliates, you create a network of people interested in promoting your business. It's like your own sales army. It may happen so that you will have a stocked shop and use affiliates to sell and ship your goods. The people you will work with most probably have some knowledge, experience, and reputation in the niche you are selling. These affiliates will talk to their audience and promote your products in the way, from their own experience, sometimes even if they don't use your product. Also, they may want to include a banner on their website and wait until somebody clicks on it and they earn a commission from the sale. Get all your ducks in a row, and only then send a pitch letter to your potential affiliates. The first thing you need to do is to prepare all your products, website and social media to be shown to your partners. Oh, almost forgot, if you really want to set up a successful system of sales via affiliate marketing, you will need to invest in relations with your sales managers. Commission depends on whether you need to manufacture, store and ship the product. For physical products, affiliate commissions may vary from 1 to 20%, for digital products that may be sold to the new people with no extra efforts, more times 30 to 80%.